Hello, here have a glitch for the block blast, okay, this year 25, and here the first step we are going to the play, okay, and here in classic, okay, and here you go to the replay, okay. For the step by step, okay, for the glitch we are going to this in the corner, okay, this in the corner and this in the corner. Okay, here have this piece, okay, and you put this, okay, in the here, okay, and we are going to the settings and go to the replay, and here you put this in the corner and corner, okay, and you replay and you have a glitch for the block blast. Bye bye.